Hi everyone, welcome back. As you know, I am showing you all these new Stamperia collections. Stamperia came up with 3 romantic collections. One is thread, another one is journal, and the third one is sea dream. So here is the set and the collection called threads, and we have 8 by 8, 12 by 12 chipboard and die cuts. So basically I am going to open 8 by 8 papers. They are similar. So we will just open this one because I cannot show 12 by 12 properly in my videos. So I thought I will just open 8 by 8 instead of 12 by 12. So let's get started. And as I mentioned in my last video, once I open any pack, I don't sell that pack. I just keep it for myself. So you will get brand new pack unopened. And oh my goodness, super shabby page or collection. You can see all these pretty things here, and it's perfect for sewing, of course, called threads. Here all the tagline tabs and beautiful images. Wow, roses are always there, so cute. Wow, very neatly, very nice, not super busy but very nicely designed. All these, get these threads, and this one, the dress form and roses, so cute. And the colors are so soothing, all the colors, very nice. You can see all these things here, so cute. Oh nice, love is the thread that bind us, very nice. And there are lilies in this collection, amazing, roses and lilies, very nice, very soft colors are these. And measuring tape images, then threads images, very cute. Wow, so pretty. All the buttons, dress forms. And then this page has all these advertisements. Back in the old world they put these kind of things. And you can see this journaling spot, scissor, threads, sewing machine, dress form. Lovely. This collection is so beautiful, very pretty. You can see the image, awesome. Then next page has this wreath, very cute. Look at all the images, so pretty. And then this page, and then we have the page for fussy cutting all these images, threads, needles, safety pins, everything is here. And this is the collection called Romantic Collection Thread. So this is our second collection from this romantic collection series, and this one called Journal. And I am so in love with these colors and everything, and the theme is really wonderful. So we have 12 by 12, 8 by 8 chipboard and die cuts here. So you can see all the colors properly here. I hope you are not seeing much glare here since it has a plastic paper on, so you can see right there all the colors. Very pretty collection is this one. You can see the chipboards, so pretty and very nice, big size of them, you can see. And we have chipboards, and this one has 37 piece chipboards in there. And now we will open this collection. I'm going to open just 8 by 8 because all the papers are same. So we'll see 8 by 8 collection first. These colors are so soothing, so soft, very pretty and very nicely designed, as you have seen the romantic thread collection, just like that, not very busy images. So we can see the cover page itself is so cute. You can see cherry blossom behind. Even though it has greenish rustic colors, there is some touch of pink, which I loved it. And let's open it. You can see all these words here. And then this page has a vintage clock and flower and some journaling thing here. So very pretty, amazing collection. You can see. And since it's journal, there are so many sentiments here. You can see a smile quotes nothing but gives much. So here is happiness and very cute collection. You can see all these images like brick images and then these corner images, some saying here. They are very pretty sayings. They are not just printed some script, but it has some meaning. So you can read all those things. I can show you right now, right here. If you want to pause and read what it says. Very pretty. Very beautiful colored page. Wow, so pretty. You can see all the cherry blossoms here. And this page is so cute. Very pretty colored flowers. This page is so cute with the roses and all, and you can see all the very nice image here. Beautiful, beautiful. This series is very different, called Romantic Collection, and it has very nice soft colors. If you get it in your hand, you will feel the difference. I don't know how to explain. Means these are not like regular type of paper pads. It's a bit different. You can see all these tags. Very pretty journaling thing. And then you have fussy cut images right here. And that's it. So this series called Romantic Collection, and we will have all these 4 items in there. Now we'll move on our third romantic collection called Sea Dream. So we have it here, all 4 items. We have chipboards, we have die cuts. I opened that somehow, but these are die cuts, 17-piece die cut. You can see, I love it. This is very different sea theme, which has so many flowers. It's floral sea theme, and the colors are so cute. You can see. I can't wait to open this because I'm in love with these colors, and the theme is very pretty, so you can use it for our coming up summer project. So let's open this one. And you can see the images, very soft colors, very pretty and very different. Like, it is very different collection. Even though it's a sea theme, you will see all the floral things, which is very uncommon. I mean, you know what I mean? It's always showing seashore or like lighthouse or something like that. It is very different thing. It has sea creatures, but with beautifully designed floral. You can see very pretty colors. You can see whale, you can see sea lion, you can see all these seashells, very cute seashells and flowers. You can see here, very nice. Means it's amazing. I like it. I love this collection so much. And this image, like frame and flowers. You can see all these seashells here, then all the fishes. Very soft, very different types of collections are these romantic collections. Sea turtle, dolphin, sea lion, whale. Very cute, cute images. Beautiful. You can see these seashells. Very cute. And then we have all the seashells here. This cute turtle image, and you can see this village here on the seashore. Very dreamy collection is this one. All three of them are. And I love these flowers, blue flowers, so cute. And you can see the lighthouse is here, but it's all hand painted, you can see. Very cute. So pretty. Beautiful images, you can see. Don't you think it's different collection than regular sea theme collection? Anyway, I love it. I'm in love with all these three collections. So we will have sea collection, we have romantic journal here, and we have threads here. So these three are romantic collections, and we will move on to our next collection, which is very nice and very springy collection. So please keep watching, and I'll see you in next video. Bye for now.